When DxOMark originally tested the iPhone 6 and the iPhone 6s, they both got the exact same score. However, since then DxOMark has updated its testing protocol and retested the iPhone 6, and it actually got a much lower score. However, they kept the same score for the iPhone 6s without retesting it. So there is now a major difference between the scores of the iPhone 6 and 6s, which were previously the same. This is a bigger difference than any other iPhone on DxOMark other than the 4S and 5. So this is a camera comparison between the 6 and 6s to see exactly what the difference is. Inside there is actually a big difference. The 6s has much more accurate colors, more detail, and less noise. In this picture, while both phones overexposed the window, there was less color distortion around the window on the iPhone 6s, most likely due to the deep trench isolation. Outside pictures on the iPhone 6s are much clearer than pictures on the iPhone 6. This picture specifically shows a major difference between the 6 and the 6s. It shows the color accuracy in the greens, which are far more accurate on the 6s than on the 6, as well as a much better dynamic range on the iPhone 6s than the 6. These pictures have the biggest difference between the iPhone 6 and the 6s. There is much better color as well as much better detail. This may be because of the deep trench isolation again, which prevents bleeding of light between pixels. This picture shows much better colors on the iPhone 6s and more detail in the leaves. The iPhone 6s takes more detailed video than the iPhone 6. It does have 4K while the iPhone 6 only has 1080p. The iPhone 6s also has better colors and better dynamic range. One unexpected difference was that the iPhone 6 actually has better stabilization than the 6s. The iPhone 6 got a higher stabilization score than the iPhone 6s, which is accurate. But most phones with the new testing protocol got a higher stabilization score. Inside in low light, iPhone 6s has much more detail than the iPhone 6 and much less noise. Whereas in brighter lighting it is less noticeable, but there is still more detail on the iPhone 6s. I took some videos and pictures while I was on vacation last Christmas, and this one shows that the iPhone 6 has colder colors than the iPhone 6s. It again shows that the 6s is less stable than the 6. This picture was taken with a higher exposure on the iPhone 6s than on the iPhone 6. When turning the exposure up on the iPhone 6, it resulted in distorted colors. This picture was actually taken with higher exposure on the iPhone 6, resulting in a brighter picture. This picture actually had more detail and was less blurry on the iPhone 6 than the 6s. However, in this picture, the iPhone 6s was less blurry than the iPhone 6. In this comparison, the 6s took much better pictures in most cases, so it would seem like the original scores, which were the same, were inaccurate. Even though the iPhone 6s was not rescored, the rescoring of the iPhone 6 is much more consistent with the score of the 6s.